So now that I've created my collections, how I can organize the activities within my library, I want to add those activities into these collections, which are kind of like folders. So notice I have 115 activities in my library that are not in a collection, meaning they are not organized at all. So it'd be very difficult for me to find a specific activity to assign to my students unless I sort them. So let's look at engineering and design. So if I click on it, the shortcut is I can click on the heart and say, let's add this to science. It immediately goes away, but I can technically tag engineering and design to another collection by clicking the heart. I can also tag it to STEAM. There's even another way you could add it. I could click the three dots at the bottom of the activity, click add to collection, and I could even add it to math. And so if I really want to, I can even look at the math collection. I'm going to go back to my library. And if I scroll down, let's do a STEAM one as well. So I clicked on the activity. I'm going to click the heart because I'm all about the shortcuts. Work smarter, not harder. I'm going to do STEAM. And I'm not even going to put it in science and math because it's got the word STEAM on the title. And so I'm going to go view collection. And so now here's my STEAM collection. It's showing me I have 2 activities. If I click the 3 dots, I can even edit this. If I want it to be a different color, I can even add a description. And so if I go back and I go to the bottom where I can view all of my collections, so I have 113 activities that are still not organized. I've only technically organized 2, engineering and the STEAM. I have 1 in my math, I have 1 in science, and I have 2 in STEAM. And remember, one of those activities in STEAM are the 1 in science and the 1 in math. And so I strongly recommend going through all of your activities and making sure you're adding them to collections. And just notice, because I didn't go over it, oops, I clicked on the wrong part of the activity, my apologies. Don't click on the person's name. If I click the heart, and it doesn't necessarily fit in any of these collections, I can click on the plus sign in the upper right hand corner and add another collection. So I can say badging / rewards and hit create. And then I can tag it and it'll immediately be sorted into that badging rewards collection. So definitely organize your activities so that when you are ready to assign them to your students, it will be much easier to find them, especially as your library grows.